Laying the very foundations of a new structure with its associated access, drainage and services places a large responsibility on the groundworker to make sure everything is being done right and to specification. Today, flexibility from the UK's factory-produced mortar industry can take some of the burden because it can supply high-quality mortar materials in the volumes and delivery method to meet the groundworker's needs, in whatever way you want it. Factory-produced mortar can come to your site in two ways, wet or dry. Either way, they give you the right mix for the job in hand. Wet mortar is mixed at modern batching plants and delivered to site for offloading into specially designed tubs. It's completely ready to use, which can be particularly useful when you start a job and the electricity and water services are not connected. It can also come in a dry form, in as little as 25 kilo plastic bags, or for the biggest jobs, up to 35-ton silos. Dry mortar is also mixed in computer-controlled plants, with tanker vehicles topping up silos as necessary. Silos are complete with integral mixer and need only power and water supplies to be connected. The builder then cools off mortar when it's needed. Factory-produced mortars overcome any potential problems relating to site mixing. You don't need to hire cement mixers, and you don't end up with inaccurately mixed mortars, likely with what is now a very old-fashioned approach. It also means you need less storage area on site for cement or sand, and if those materials aren't there, they can't be spoiled or wasted, or lifted from site when you're not looking. It all adds up to a much more sustainable approach. In whatever form you choose to take factory-produced mortars, the result's the same. The mixed product can be easily moved about your site, and it feels right on the trowel when your brickie gets to work. And as the mortar comes from some of the biggest names in the building materials industry, technical advice and test data is readily available on request. Factory-produced mortars give you the professional answer. They provide accurate cement content, consistent strength and colour, reduced mixing and labour costs, reduce wastage and pilferage, and they meet the right specification every time. It's simply the most cost-effective solution. Download an information sheet from the Mortar Industry Association website, which includes contact numbers of the association's member suppliers.